Welcome to Chalkboard Tales, where magic sparks happiness and logic finds its way. Thank you for your love and support. Stay with us, and we promise to keep inspiring you. Hey buddies, it's your friend Ayesha, and welcome to the 5th episode of Chalkboard Tales. Today's tale is a special one. It's all about breaking through the wall of fear. Our story, The Fearless Speaker, follows a young boy who takes on his biggest fear and finds his true voice. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon, like, share, and stick around till the end. Let's go. Ajao. Ali, a bright but shy 10-year-old boy, had one big fear: public speaking. Every time he stood in front of his class, his hands shook, his voice cracked, and his mind went blank. His classmates' giggles made it worse, and the fear only grew stronger. No matter how much he wanted to speak, the words refused to come out. One day during a class presentation, Ali froze again. His teacher noticed his fear and, instead of scolding him, gave him a challenge. Practice speaking for just 1 minute every day. Start small and grow big. Ali doubted himself but decided to try. That evening, he stood in front of the mirror, his heart racing. He took a deep breath and spoke. His voice wobbled, and he stumbled over words, but he kept going. The next day, he did it again. He then practiced in front of his little sister, who clapped for him no matter how many mistakes he made. Slowly, he built confidence. He read aloud, recorded his voice, and even spoke in front of his family. His fear started to fade. Then came the real challenge. The school announced a speech contest. The moment Ali heard about it, fear crept back in. What if he forgot his words? What if everyone laughed? But then he remembered his practice. He signed up, practiced harder than ever, and told himself, fear won't win this time. The big day arrived. Ali stepped onto the stage, his heart pounding like a drum. Hundreds of eyes watched him. His palms were sweaty, his legs felt weak. The fear whispered, "You can't do this." But this time Ali had something stronger: courage. He took a deep breath and spoke. At first his voice was shaky, but with each word he grew bolder. His message became clearer. Fear is just a wall in our minds. Step by step, we can break through it. The audience fell silent, listening intently. Then, the moment he finished, the room erupted in applause. A standing ovation. Ali had done it. The fear that once controlled him was gone. As Nelson Mandela once said, "I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it." What's the big idea? Fear isn't forever. It's just a challenge waiting to be conquered. The more we face it, the weaker it becomes. So, what's something you were once afraid of but overcame? Let us know in the comments.